Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Ledger Nano X to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT securely, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. USDT is a popular stablecoin, and with hardware wallets like Ledger Nano X, you can keep things extra safe. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Ethereum app installed on it, since USDT is an ERC20 token, and your Coinbase wallet set up with funds. Double-check that your Ledger is charged and your Coinbase account is verified to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB and enter your PIN to unlock it. This ensures only you can access your crypto. Step 2. On your Ledger device, open the Ethereum app. You'll see it on the home screen. Just navigate and select it. Step 3. Open the Coinbase wallet on your computer or mobile app. If you're using the extension, make sure it's logged in. Step 4. In Coinbase Wallet, go to the Send or Transfer section. Select USDT as the asset you're sending. Step 5. Enter your Coinbase wallet address as the recipient. Wait, don't rush, copy and paste it carefully to prevent any errors. Always verify the address twice. Step 6. Input the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any network fees. They can vary based on Ethereum's gas prices in 2025. Step 7. Review the transaction details on your Ledger screen. It will show the amount and recipient. Confirm it using the device's buttons for that extra layer of security. Step 8. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but check the blockchain status if it feels slow. And there you have it. Your USDT should now be in your Coinbase wallet. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always stay vigilant. If you run into issues, Ledger and Coinbase have great support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you next time.